In this video, we will show you how to create a product, how to copy, edit, delete and rearrange products, and how to configure the appearance of product pages. To create a product, go to the Categories page in the Shop admin panel. Click into the category that you want to add your product in, and then click the Create New Product button. You may not need to enter every product detail listed in this video, but we'll give you the know-how in case you do. Start by entering the basic product details, including a product code, name, a short summary, and a detailed description. Only the product name is required, but you might want to create a summary and description as they provide customers with more details about your product and can persuade them to make a purchase. They also help with search engine optimization. By adding your product details, you're helping customers find the product easier. Next, choose how your product page will appear in search engines such as Google. By default, search engines will use the information from the product's name and description. But to edit these, deselect the checkboxes and enter your SEO title and description into the fields underneath. For advice on creating good titles and descriptions, click the help icon in the top right. Next, upload an image of your product. Imagery help your customers decide if they want to buy, so it's required to upload a main image which will show on both the category and product pages. You can also upload up to an additional 7 images which will only be shown on the product page. Once you have uploaded your images, you can specify the price and delivery weight of the product. Decide which tax applies to the product and then enter the price, as it will be displayed on the website, including or excluding tax depending on how you choose to set up your shop. Choose whether to add a price break and then specify the per unit price and the quantity for which that price applies. For example, adding £5 for 10 gives the customer a discount on the per unit price if they buy 10 or more. Next, choose whether to show a previous price. This is the original price for the product that's now on sale and will be shown crossed out before the current price. For example, adding £20 as the previous price, the product displays as £10 off. Adding a previous price encourages customers to purchase your product while it's at a lower price. If the product is not on sale, then leave this field blank. If your delivery is based on weight, then enter the product weight. If your delivery is not based on weight, then leave this field blank. Next, choose whether to add product units to display next to the quantity field. For example, a product could have units of boxes, in which case a singular unit would be shown as 1 box, and plural units would be shown as 2 boxes. See how the units change when you change the quantity. If you wish to include a link to download a file in the customer's order confirmation email, this can be added here. Click the Upload File button and select the file. Note the file cannot exceed 20 megabytes. Next, set the status of the product. Set to Available to let customers purchase the product. Set to Not Available to let customers see the product but not purchase it. Set to Not Shown to hide the product entirely. This is useful for seasonal products which are only available at certain times of year. You can also choose whether to enable stock control. If enabled, you can enter the stock level at which the shop will notify you of low stock and the current stock level of the product. If your product has variants, like different colours or sizes, select the appropriate variant group and then click Add Variant to add the appropriate variants in the group. For each variant, you can also specify a price, which adjusts the per item price of the product, and a weight, which adjusts the per item weight of the product. For example, if the per item price of the product is £10 and a price of £5 is added to the variant, the total price of the product would be £15 if the variant is selected by the customer. The price and weight can also be negative to reduce the product price and weight. For more information on creating variants, please watch our product variants video. If you wish to add a related product, click the drop-down field to select your related product and click Add. Repeat the step to add more related products. Related products are recommendations in addition to the product a customer is currently viewing. For example, batteries for a camera or shoes that match a new dress. Finally, choose whether the product is to appear in any other categories. This is useful if there are different ways that customers might think of categorizing your product. Click the drop-down field to select the category and click Add. Repeat the step to add product to additional categories. Review the details you have entered and then click the Create button to create the product. Once you have created your product, you can enter your web address followed by /webshop in the address bar to see the product on your website. To import products from a spreadsheet, please watch our How to Populate the Product Import File video. You can manage products by going to the Categories page in the Shop Admin panel, and then clicking into the category that your product is in. To copy, edit or delete a product, click the appropriate button. You can rearrange the order in which products are shown by clicking on the arrows to the left of the product name and dragging the product up or down. Once done, click Save to save the order. You can configure the appearance of product pages by going to the Settings page in the Shop Admin panel and then clicking Product Pages. From this page, you can change the layout of the product details, the appearance of the product details, how customers add items to their basket, whether links to other products in the same category and links to other products purchased along with this product should be shown.